Hi, Magenta Otter coming to you from my media room / workout room for a different kind of video today because a lot of us are spending more time than usual sitting in front of a computer and not getting up and walking around as much, sitting on a couch binge watching shows. And what I find is great for me when I'm not as active as usual is making sure I'm integrating stretching into my daily routine. So this is a quick video to show you my 7 favorite stretches, gentle, easy stretches that I do literally every day. Of course, this is not a workout video, so if you are wanting to start a fitness program, I encourage you to speak to your health professional and work with a certified personal trainer, like my friend Susan at Fit and Fab Lily Pad. See link below in the description. I've had chronic back problems literally since I was a teenager, and the reason why in my mid-50s I don't have daily back pain or acute back pain episodes anymore is because I developed core strength and I integrated stretching into my everyday routine. At the end of any workout, I love to do a couple basic stretches for my legs. This one, which is just like toe touches, except on the floor, really helps stretch out the back and front of my legs. Doing this stretch is great for the back of your legs, but what's even better for my lower back, which I absolutely have to stretch every day, is leaning over to one side It's an excellent stretch for the lower back. This next stretch is just like the best stretch. If you're in the middle of a workout or have just done a workout where you've worked out your arms a lot, particularly upper arms, triceps, but it's also a fantastic stretch for your lower back. When we spend our day either hunched over a computer or with bad posture with our head forward, it helps a lot to open up and stretch our chest muscles by just doing a doorway stretch. Putting your arms against the door frame and leaning in to stretch out those muscles. This is a stretch that I like to do at the end of my workouts, and it is important because of the stretch that it's doing for my quad muscles in the front of my legs, but I feel like it's even more important for me to do because of balance. Because I know I have bone density issues, I want to make sure that I'm preventing injury, and one of the most important things in addition to stretching and being flexible is having good balance. And I don't really have super great balance, so this just helps me improve it. So the stretch is standing, raising one leg and holding my foot behind me, and then holding it in place. I think this is probably my most favorite stretch. During the day, when I'm sitting at the computer, I find myself in poor posture, and this is the stretch that I do. Get up and do the stretch, and it totally opens up my chest muscles, but also relieves tension in my upper back and up through my neck, which is so important for me. Stand up, lock my fingers behind my back, and then lean over while raising my arms as much as I can. Everyone has different flexibility, but you can definitely feel it releasing the tension in your upper back and neck. This last stretch is the trickiest to do, but honestly is the most important stretch for me to prevent and relieve lower back pain, and it really stretches out the sacroiliac joint in the hip area. And it is what I call the number 4 stretch because it starts with putting one leg over so that your foot is on top of your knee, and then stretch that leg up in the air so your legs make a number 4. But then you bend the leg that's outstretched so it's at a 90-degree angle. Then reach your hands around that bent leg and pull it forward. This causes a great stretch in the hip and sacroiliac joint, and even though you're actually stretching out your hip area, it really relieves the tugging and tension and tightness that cause lower back pain for me in that lower lumbar area.